Hey, Niece the family. So I am home after getting my skin tightening treatment and also getting my laser hair removal treatment that she surprised me with. So I'm so thankful for that. But I also want to show you guys my aftercare treatment. So basically, after you get a procedure like that on the skin tightening, and I'm going to attach the video so you can see the process after I'm done explaining. You have to do, it's called a microcurrent dual face mask, and it basically helps with cooling everything off, because when you first get it done, everything's really tight and it could be a little warm. So it cools everything off. It was great. It felt so good and it smells good. Like, it smells amazing. And then you have a light cleanser that you have to use at night, and I have to use this until it's gone. And after I do the cleanser, I put this moisturizer on right here. I have 2 of these, and she said a lot goes a long way. So for now, this is what I'll be using. I won't be using my regular skincare regimen that I do, that I always talk to you guys about. I've been using it for like 10 years. I'm going to use this because now I'm in the healing process. My face is healing because the skin tightening, it's about, I think she said 34 little needles that go in and out. And you can feel it, but it doesn't hurt. She numbed me and everything, but I could tell that my face, the skin and everything, it was just, it's rejuvenating. And before she did it, she did laser hair removal on me, which you guys are probably gonna laugh on the video, but she did the laser hair removal, and I wasn't expecting it, but she was like, no girlfriend, you're not going to have all these great results, and then you are not going to you're going to keep that hair on your face. And I'm like, well, after a laser hair removal, you couldn't get the hair taken off, especially when you start having gray. But she told me I have a lot of black hairs in there, and my girl took care of me. And you know what, I really believe that when you put good into the world, it comes back to you. So people that are out there doing negative, hateful things, you need to be mindful, because God is watching all the time, and you know who you are. Okay, you can't hide. But for children of God, I'm just here to let you know, don't worry, don't be dismayed. I got to put this sidebar in for my Lord and Savior. He said, when the enemy comes in like a flood, the Lord going to lift up a standard. So just remember that, okay? So basically, I'm going to use this. I don't think I'm supposed to use this on my face tonight. I'm going to call it. I think this second one in here is for tomorrow. But I'm going to use this cleanser and this moisturizer for the next 3 days or whenever it's going. And then I'll go back to my second treatment. Let me go over the goodies I got for purchasing the holiday packages from her. Let me get into it. All right, guys. So this company here, these are the gifts that you get when you got the package deal that she had for the holidays. And I purchased this from her because she is amazing. She's an African-American woman with her own business. She had her own dreams, and she made them come to fruition. She walks in decency. She holds herself to a standard of excellence, and I admire her for that. She only wants the best for the people that are close to her and the people that she comes in contact with. I admire her so much. Just to let you know, Latasha, if you're watching this, I admire you. But in any case, this was one of the products. It's called Skin Medica. I think I said it right. And on here it says LumaV system. LumaVive. It might be LumaVive system. And what you have here is one LumaVive for the day and LumaVive for the night. The day one takes care of damage. It's a damage defense serum. And the night one revitalizes and repairs the complex. So basically, that's what this product is. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. I've had this stuff in my car. I did not, and she said, why is it still in your car? Why haven't you taken it out your car yet? I've had this in my car for like a month since I purchased the package. But I took it out my car because she got it on me, and she's like, okay, why is it in your car? And mind you, this stuff is expensive. It's not cheap. But like I said, if you guys have flexible spending accounts, I gotta get something to open this. I don't want to break my nail. You can use your flexible spending accounts, and you can get these things for your skin to help repair whatever blemishes, damage from the sun, low estrogen levels. I mean, you just want to revitalize your skin. That's what I want to do. So they say not for resale because these were a part of her gifts. But these are the bottles. They look so pretty. I like that. You know, I love silver. And let's see here. Which one is, all right, this one is night. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's a nice little bottle, little squeeze. I'm not going to squeeze anything out yet. And this is the day one. Matter of fact, let me see. This one says serum. So let's see what it looks like. Pump, pump, pump. Oh, here it is. So this is the serum, and this is the daytime one. Oh, that feels good. And it's nice and light. Look at that. Nice little shine. And it doesn't have a bad smell or anything. It doesn't have a smell at all, actually. And this is the night. So that was the day. This is the night. Oh, this one is like, it's yellow. Let's see. Oh, this is creamier. Oh, it's giving gloss, baby. You know that glossy look? Oh, look at that. And I told her when I went in today, I said, I want to look like a porcelain doll, girl. And look at that. That's really nice. I like the way it feels and everything. This is the nighttime one. Shoot. So this is the Revitalize Repair Complex. I like it. Look how it's still like nice and glossy. Oh, I like that a lot. Yeah. All right, let's get on to this next product, all right? All right, guys, so that was one of my gifts, this right here. And then also she gave me this cute little box. So basically, y'all, I don't know how to pronounce that. But I know this is a Allure beauty box. And these people, wait a minute, I don't know how to pronounce that. If you know how to pronounce it, put it in the comments, break it down for me. I should have asked her, right? Oh, it's okay, I'm a human being. And Allure beauty box. So let's see what's in here. This is a cute little box. Okay, I need my scissors again. Need my scissors. Let's see. Need my scissors. All right. Oh, look at all the goodies in here. I like it. There you glow again. Oh, this is nice. Hi, beautiful. Enjoy the limited edition Juva, Lord forgive me, and Allure beauty box filled with luxe products curated to help you glow between that word treatments. So basically, we have some pamphlets here. Kiss Your 11s goodbye. We have these pamphlets here. Oh, this is nice too. This just shows what the boxes look like. And then, oh, look at this. Cryo Ice Sake Roller. Look at that. Oh, that's cute. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, this is gonna be a long video, y'all. Prepare yourself. Oh, this is cute. So, oh, it's cold. Oh, this is really cold. You can't, it's cryo ice. Oh, this is nice. Do I need to put it in the freezer or anything? Hold on. We got to put some glasses on, y'all. Where my glasses at? Hold on. Getting a little old. All right. Let's see. Ease your tension and indulge in therapeutic power of ice cold temperatures with our sake and inspired cryofacial. Chill your skin to help soothe problem skin, reduce the appearance of pores, debuff under eye area, and lift your features best. Use with your favorite serums and eye creams. Wow, you don't have to do anything. Oh, directions. Chill in the freezer. Recommended 18 degrees Celsius for 90 minutes. Allow to sit for 2 minutes before use. Glide onto clean skin using pressing motion for a maximum of 15 minutes or until the device is no longer cold. The device was cold when I took it out of the box. Suitable for use throughout the day. Store in the freezer in between uses. So if anybody is interested in this, you can go see my girl at La Monnaie Aesthetics, and she'll put you onto all this kind of stuff. But this is really, really cute. I mean, really, really cute. Look at that. Look at that. And that is the part that gets really, really cold. And it's freezing. I mean, it's cold now. It really is. Oh, it's cold on my face. It's cold. So I'm surprised you're going to put this in the freezer because it's freezing right now. I can't imagine. All right, I'm going to leave this out the pack because this is going to go in the freezer. I'm going to put it in a little sandwich bag. So we're going to sit this right here. Set our trash over here, and let's go to the next thing. So, ooh, so lash enhancing serum. I love me a good lash, y'all. I love me a good lash. So, why would I take them off? Jesus Christ, help me. Serum, lash enhancing serum, Grand Lash MD. Okay, clear serum, 3-month supply. All right, let's see. Longer, thicker looking lashes in 4 to 6 weeks. 91% saw longer lashes, and 94% saw healthier looking lashes. Okay, I like this. I like this. So you swipe it across the top of your eyelash line, basically. One simple swipe to each lash line once daily is all you need for long, lush looking lashes. Let's look at this. Let's see what it's hitting for. I'm liking all this. This kind of stuff is making me excited because I never really had time to get into all this kind of stuff when my kids were young. But the fact that I can do it now, it's exciting me. Here you go, y'all. That's what it looks like. All right, let's take the plastic off. Is this plastic? Yeah, this is plastic. I gotta make sure my nails last. I lost a nail last night, so I gotta make sure that oh, look at that. So I'm not gonna put it on now because I do have mascara on for my day, but basically you put it right on the lash line like that. Oh, that's gonna be fun. After I wash my face with all my little goodies, I could put this on. All right, I like that. I like that. Let's keep going. I heard this is like a big deal. My daughter told me about this. I had a little teeny jar, but it's supposed to be overnight tanning body whip. Not tanning, what the heck? Overnight toning body whip. So, oh, I need to put this like under my arms, my little arms and stuff. Oh, I wonder if I could put that on my chin too, like around here, so it can help continuing to tone everything. But no, she's doing the session, so I don't want to have my neck totally snatched up. But look at that. Anybody know about this stuff here? Leave it in the comments. Tell me how you like it. Tell me how you like it. Ooh, I've never had it before. I had a little bottle and I gave it to my daughter. So Maylis, It's by Maylis. So this is nice. It's a lot of nice goodies in here. Let's keep going. I got some more. Truffle Therapy Essential Face Toner. Hush. Skin and Company. This is nice. Look at that. Truffle Therapy Essential. What? All right, let's take this off. And a lot of people are like, why are you opening it? Because I want to experience this with you guys. Ugh. All right, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, yeah, this is nice. And it has like a silky texture to it. It does. It has like a silky type of texture to it. So it's not going to leave your face dry. But it's a nice toner. I like that. We're going to be using all of this stuff, y'all. All of it. All right, let's keep going. What is this? Elegant Hair Ring. Oh, this is for your hair. Oh, well, you know me. I got an artificial bun up here. You know, I took some Kankaline hair and twisted it up and made a bun. But maybe I can use this when this is nice. I can use this when I do my silk press. And it says here, you can just hold them, you know, have it on your wrist in case you want to put your hair up. It's called Invisible Bee, the Elegant Hair Ring. Slim. So yeah, put it around your wrist like this and you can have it when you that's a good idea. I like this stuff. Yes, because I'm going to color my hair either tonight or tomorrow. I don't know. Might not be done until after Christmas, to be honest, because I got to cook and stuff. I went food shopping because, you know, we have Christmas Eve dinner. If you've been following me for a while, you know that we have Christmas Eve dinner at my house. So, all right. So I like this a lot. I like that a lot. Let's go on to the next thing. I know you're like, you still got stuff in there. Yes, I do. Okay. So this is, I wanted a lip scrub. Passion Fruit Refining Lip Scrub. Aceology. Oh, anybody like this? Let me know. Let me know how you like it. But yes, a Passion Fruit Refining Lip Scrub. Aceology. So let's see how it feels. Let's see. Take all these plastic little things off here. Let's see. Oh, this is like Christmas. Thank you, Santa Claus, Latasha. Let me see. All right, let's see here. Oh, it got the little exfoliation beads in it. Yeah, you see it? Yeah. I like it. And it smells like passion fruit. That's funny. And it smells like passion fruit. And I wanted a lip scrub. So look at God. Look at God. All right. Next thing, we got two more things. Hold on. Just hold your horses. So this is by Merit. Shade Slick. A tinted lip oil. By Merit. You guys ever heard of them? Look at that. All right. So let's see what this is like. I'm excited about this too. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. This kind of reminds me of my Fenty and my L'Oreal. I wear L'Oreal and I wear Fenty. So that's what this kind of reminds me of. So take these off. Let's try it. Let's try it. I hope it's not like too pink on me. Oh, it's not. Ooh. 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 This is going in the pocketbook. Ooh. See my little scar? That didn't come from her, y'all. That was a pimple and I don't know how to stop picking them. Okay? When I'm stressed out, I start picking at them. I gotta stop that. Ooh. All right. Because if I don't, she gonna get me too. I'm surprised she didn't say nothing about it today. She just zapped right past it like she didn't see it, but I know she did. So here you go, guys. This is by Merit. And it's a lip tint, and I like it. Like, look at that. And it's not too pink. It doesn't stand out too much. And our last item. Okay, let's see. Community Milk. Community Milk. Let's see what this is. My mom's lifestyle. Oh, wait. No, what is it called? Freestyle Libre. That's the alert one here. Anyway, brand philosophy. The art of perfumery should be intuitive. At commodity, where, oh my God, fragrance in order to make it exceptional, accessible. We like to keep things simple. No smoke, no mirrors. Just a passion for ethical element and atypical. All right, let's see what this is. I'm thinking this is something to keep your perfume lasting longer. That's what I'm thinking. But I don't know. I could be wrong. Let's see. This video is going to be too long. Oh, look at it. Oh, this is a perfume. Scent spray, Bold. For me and everyone else. It's a scented spray called Bold. I was totally wrong. Okay. So this is a perfume. You know, Nisa is bold. That's why I drive people crazy. I live rent-free in some people's heads that watch me. You know who you are. You know what you've been trying to do. Don't think I don't know. But let me tell you, no weapon formed against me shall prosper. This is different. I'm not going to say it stinks. No, it doesn't. But I would wear this at bedtime. It's like that type of scent that I would like to go to sleep in. If I wore it to work, it would make me sleepy. So I'd rather wear this to go to bed. It's definitely different. So, listen, I got so many goodies. So many different things. I'm very excited, and I'm also very happy. I thought about this today and I forgot to tell Latasha, but I want to tell you in the video that I am very happy that we met. I'm thankful that I made that appointment with Zakia and I was able to build not just, you know, a consumer friendship with you, but we laugh together, we joke together, and it really makes me feel that you care. And it's not about money. It's not just, you know, oh, give me your money, because you care. When you see things that need to be done, you just go ahead and do it. It's, you know, and I just appreciate you, girl. I really do. And I've always been the type of person that it was hard for me to build friendships and like bonding relationships because it was always something negative within it that didn't sit well with my spirit. But we're not friends, like, but besties or anything like that. But you encourage me to be better. I see your light and it shines. And Melanie's not light and it shines. And like, I like the feeling. I like the feeling. I love it. So listen. Please go and see my girl at Lemonade Aesthetics. She's right in Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania. She gives away some of the best products when you invest in her services. And listen, I'm going to put her information right down there in the comments. And I'm going to post her link as well. Go check her out so your skin can start glowing. Do you see how my skin is glowing? That's another thing. I usually have dry patches. So my skin is starting to glow. So I got 2 more treatments of the skin tightening. I have another treatment, 2 more treatments for the hair removal. And then we're going to start working on this texture, tone, and we might get some fillers up in there. You never know. Judge your mama. All right. I will talk to y'all later. It's Shanista. Peace and blessings. I love y'all regardless. I even love the trolls and the haters and the people that try to come between my blessings. Okay? I love y'all. Bye.